Hey, welcome back. So after a long time of waiting for it to arrive, my iPad Pro keyboard has finally arrived. Ordered it about 5 months ago, which I can't believe it's taken so long for it to arrive, but hey ho, it has, and I'm so happy. So I've got the keyboard here, iPad waiting here. So let's open it and see what it looks like. See if I've got something to open it with. Just a pen. No damage in the box. Pen lid always works. Throw the rubbish to one side. See what it looks like. It's hard to do this on camera, but hey ho. That's what you get when you first open it up. Lift it out. Looks good. I like that colour. To my knowledge, this only comes in one colour, so it's like an off black. But according to that camera, it's pitch black, so hey ho. And then little padding inside, and that's the keyboard. Looks good. Great feeling of the keys. I'll just grab the iPad. So, as it's the new iPad, it's got the special connections on the back to connect it to the keyboard, and the keyboard has the same connections there. If you can pick it up, just there. There you go. So I've not actually seen anyone with these yet, so to my knowledge, you just snap it on like that, and there you go. A keyboard, and it looks awesome. Looks better than it did. Let's see if it works. So if I go onto notes, start a new note. Simple as that. You don't even need to start editing settings. Just work straight away. How cool's that? Thanks for watching. Bye.